The black enslaved mind. One of the biggest damages caused by colonialism was to mentally enslave the black person. The project of mental slavery was well executed. Black people today view each other as fellow slaves and see the white person as superior, and the only one capable to lead. Therefore, black people must submit to the white master. The project was systematically inculcated in black people's minds that whatever the number rise to lead, they must never gain the loyalty and support from their fellow black people. Hence, the current status is that whenever a white person and a black people individually but simultaneously establish an enterprise, black people will automatically gravitate towards supporting the white person's enterprise. However, if a black person does the same thing and open an enterprise, we, inverted commas, black people, are reluctant to support that enterprise. Instead, we will want to compete with that black person, because the mindset of a black person says, if that slave did it, so can I. We have witnessed this kind of attitude in our communities, in townships, where the black person cannot tolerate to see another person prosper. For instance, one neighbor would embark on a project to remodel their home, and because of a poor mind, the other neighbor will also want to remodel their home. Not because it is necessary to do so, but because they cannot stand to see another black person succeed. Because of this mentality, many black leaders across different fields do not succeed with their mission of liberating black people because of the tempered mentality.